OBD2 compliant, and supporting all 10 OBD2 modes, the Innova SDS50 is a powerful and versatile tool for any technician. Get all the information you need with just one look, using the all-in-one display, which shows powertrain fault codes and relevant details like definitions, severity, and emissions readiness. The Fix for DTC function provides real-world solutions from thousands of ASE-certified technicians, so you can make repairs with confidence. Clear powertrain codes with ease, using the erase function, and double-check your work with a quick rescan. The SDS50 also comes with a comprehensive DTC library, making it easy to search for fault code definitions for all makes. For more information, please visit us at innova.com.
Find the problem, fix the problem.